came into Children's Place. Taking my sister out on the town. Say hi, sister.
Hi, sister.
Hi, Mom.
Hello, Mom.
So now I'm just here watching American Dad, winding down. Might have to go to sleep early tonight so I can wake up tomorrow and be extra productive to make up for what I didn't do today. Remove posters.
I have no idea what I did for the rest of the day.
You can say, because you're holding up my phone. Because Jesus was a carpenter. Can I get an amen? Amen! Hallelujah! Praise the Lord! Oh, shit!
I was superb, active all day.
Also, listening to Kendrick's surprise album.
Monster!